Welcome to the RPM Skill Channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford F-150, a pickup truck that continues to set benchmarks in performance, versatility, and innovation. Let's explore its exterior design, engine options, and safety features. Chiseled 2025 F-150 maintains its iconic and robust appearance, featuring a bold front grille flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility. The chiseled hood and muscular fenders contribute to its commanding road presence. From the side, the F-150 showcases strong character lines and a variety of wheel designs, ranging from practical 17-inch options to eye-catching 22-inch alloys, allowing owners to tailor the truck's appearance to their preferences. At the rear, the truck is equipped with modern LED taillights and an available Pro Access Tailgate, which includes an integrated swing gate for easier access to the bed, even when towing. This feature enhances both functionality and convenience. The 2025 F-150 offers a diverse lineup of powertrains to suit various needs. 0.3L Ti VCT V6 delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency, suitable for everyday driving and light-duty tasks. LLTI VCT V8 provides robust horsepower and torque, enhancing towing and payload capacities for more demanding workloads. 5L Power Boost RET-R Full Hybrid V6 combines performance with fuel efficiency, offering impressive power while maintaining better fuel economy. L Supercharged V8 Raptor R generates a thrilling 720 horsepower, designed for high-performance off-road adventures. When properly equipped, the F-150 boasts a maximum towing capacity of up to 13,500 pounds, making it a formidable choice for heavy-duty hauling. In summary, the 2025 Ford F-150 continues to lead the pack with its blend of rugged design, versatile performance options, and advanced safety features. Whether for work or recreation, it remains a top contender in the pickup truck segment. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the RPM Skill Channel for more in-depth car reviews. Share your thoughts on the 2025 F-150 in the comments below, and let us know which vehicles you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching.